Welcome back to Hot Rod City. I'm out in the upholstery shop right now because obviously I have some upholstery shop work to do. So it is 38, 40 degrees in here according to the thermometer. I've got the heater fired up. So we got a couple hours before it gets nice and toasty. Well, about an hour or two before it gets t-shirt weather in here, and another 2 hours after that before I have to worry about carbon monoxide. So I have a rather big ugly seat to do. It's down there on the floor because I'm running out of room in here at an exponential rate because work is piling up. So I'm in the middle of a golf cart seat for one of my customers that's half of it is off for embroidery, and when I get that back I'm going to finish those. And I'm also still in the middle of doing my Colorado seats. One's done. It's hidden off somewhere because I don't have the room in here. So the other seat's still sitting there to be done. So, and because I finally made the actual step to becoming a legitimate business and started getting suppliers, I have sampled crap everywhere. So I need to reorganize. But I need to get some of this work done in order to do that, to get it out of my way and out of my hair, and to get some of these little projects out of here that I've just been doing for fun. So, hence you can see the giant roll of freaking foam over here. So, but I'm going to show you the seat. Now, this funky seat is going in I think it's like a 53 or 54 Chevrolet. I already did the door panels and kick panels for it. I wasn't expecting to do this, but I gotta show you guys how I'm filling out my time at least, so that way I don't go weeks without a video. So this is me doing this. Alright, I got the seat all apart. It's all rusty. I'd really love to tear it down and put all new webbing in it and just all kinds of stuff and paint it and make it nice, but I'm not getting paid for all that. So this is what's left of the pad. It's 2-inch pleats. I'm going to redo the 2-inch pleats, but I'm not using this welting seam here. I'm just going to 2-inch seam all the way around, or 2-inch pleat all the way to the end. Because I can make it in one piece, so, and it'll give it a little more on the edge. And it sounds like there's a whole bunch of change inside of this thing I keep finding. So I got one bad spot in the foam. I'm just going to pat it up from underneath. All the rest of this I can just make from straight vinyl. This is kind of, it's done half automotive upholstery like what I'm used to seeing, and like half boat upholstery. So I'm going to kind of go with it, and because there's no need for extra padding around the outside because there's nothing there. Not on these seats anyway. So only thing on this that has padding is the seat pad itself, and I'm going to redo that because I got a whole roll of it right there. The rest of it I'll make a seam. It shouldn't take me too long to just do the bottom of this. And I am going to take a little bit of paint and hit up just for the seats mount, more than likely. Depends how I feel when I get to that, because they do have plastic covers. So, and the original seat belts here are not going back in it. He says he's got new seat belts. And there's a whole bunch of wire, like one step down from coat hanger, and a bungee cord up holding some part of the seat together. I'm not real sure. But I also found out, tearing this apart, this is a Chrysler seat. I think it's out of like an old Dodge D100 or something like that. So whether or not it fits in his truck or if it was just sitting in there, I don't know. So this is what we're going with. Need to get some foam. Now what I'm using here is this 1/2 inch scrim foam. Open cell scrim foam. It's called scrim because it's hard to see. See how this side is pinker? Because this has like a white film on it. Not necessarily a film, but it's some kind of threaded deal. It's to keep the sewing thread from pulling through the foam. Still using this 3M stuff. I bought the Weldwood sprayable stuff, but my air compressor that I have out here is not nearly enough what I need to do the job until I upgrade that air compressor, which is coming soon. I'm looking. I thought I was in the profit range coming up now with all the work I've been doing, but turns out I got to upgrade now. Like, it was doing the job, but now it's not enough to do the job. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna put some black in the machine and sew my pleats, and then we'll get to it.